Hello everyone, welcome to African Note Food. I hope everybody is well. Today we're going to make tatale. So tatale is plantain, overwrapped plantain pancake that we're going to make today. So I have my ginger here that I'm chopping. You can see I'm going to grind it with my asanka here, and then I'm going to add also pepper into it, half of it into it there, a bit of onion there. I'm going to blend, and then I'll add salt here in there. But first I'm going to ground my clove here and there. Black peppercorn that I have, I'm going to add this one into it as well, and ground with my this is it. I have finished grinding this. I'm going to add this one in here. You don't have to do it the way I'm doing it. You can just grind them together in your asanka. So I'm going to grind them like that. So now I have finished grinding my spices. So now I'm going to take the skin off, peel the skin off of the plantain, cut them in small pieces like that. Yeah, when you cut it, make sure you don't cut your hand. So then I'm going to grind it like that. Make sure you grind it really well. Yeah. So this is it. So I'm still grinding the plantain. Yeah. And that's almost done. So now I have finished. I'm going to add my I have roasted corn here that I'm going to use. So I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of roasted corn. If you don't have roasted corn, you can use flour. Yeah, you can use flour in there as well, or if you have a cornstarch, you can use it as well. And this one is my homemade roasted corn. It's coming soon as a video. Yeah. Okay. So I'm going to add the rest of the onions in there. That's optional, you don't have to. But I like onions so much, so I'm putting more onion in there. Yeah. And you just mix them together. Make sure that it's mixed properly before you start doing your pancake. Now I have heated my pan. I'm going to add my palm oil in there. And wait a bit that heat up really well, so I can add this everywhere like that. Done. Now I'm going to add my tatale. I'm going to add the first one, and second one. Okay. Make sure you use the back of your spoon to flat it up a bit. Yeah, it goes flat like that. And the third one on the side here. Okay. So we're going to leave it to cook for about 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes, and then you can turn it to do the other side as well. We're going to turn it and see how the other side look. Ooh, look at this, beautiful. And the other one, let's see. So for the oil, you can use any oil of your choice, but for this dish normally is palm oil that you have to use. But if you can get palm oil where you are, that's fine. You can use any oil of your choice. Yeah. Okay. So this is it. It's done. I'm going to take them out there, and nicely done. It smells so nice. There. So I'm going to finish the rest, and then so this is it. Our tartale is finished. I have added beans with onions and 1 Scotch bonnet fried and put on top of the beans, and I have also my gari here that is going to go with. It's so I hope this was helpful to you. You try, let me know, and we see you soon. Please do like, share, subscribe, and give us a thumbs up, and comment as well. Thank you. Bye.